Today, let us look at the seventh shloka of the Vishnu Sahasranamam. And before we look at the meaning of this shloka, let us chant the shloka for you. Chayayam parijadasya hemasimhasanopari asinamam budashyamam ayatakshamalankritam Chandrananam Chaturbahum Srivatsankitavakshasam Rukmini Satyabhamabhyam Sahitam Krishnamashraye.